Hi students, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. And first of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Knox Way to Learn. In the previous video, I have explained you one of the easiest and important topics in the grammar for intermediate second year, completing a form or form filling. In our public examination, under question number 13, a form is given with blanks numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 10, and some hints or clues are also given. Based on the hints or clues, we need to fill in the blanks so that we will get 5 marks. And in the previous video, I have explained you what are the forms, what are the different types of forms like online forms and offline forms, and what are online forms and what are offline forms. I have given you the complete explanation. So in this video, today, let's do some practice on this topic, completing a form. But before doing that, if you still didn't watch the previous video, I suggest you to please watch the video first and come to this class so that you will be able to understand clearly. Now let's see a form given in our textbook on page number 274. You can see it on the screen. So you see exercise. So here a form is given and above that form there is some information. First of all, we have to read the information and understand what is this form about. So let's read the information first. You are Mr. K. Sudhendra, resident of Kacheri Street, Tekkali. Apply today for a DD of rupees 5,500 in 550 denomination to be paid towards admission fee to the registrar, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, payable at Andhra University Campus Branch, Visakhapatnam. The exchange to be paid as commission for rupees 5,500 is 50 rupees. So here this is the form for taking a DD. So if you observe this form carefully, you can find two parts on the left side and the right side. On the left side you can see a small piece, and on the right side you can see a longer piece. And here this short piece is given to us as a receipt and the longer piece will be kept by the bank. So here in the examination only longer piece of the form will be given. This short piece is not given, but for our practice let's do both of them. Okay, so and if you observe carefully, one more thing is on the left side and on the right side there are so many the numbers are, most of the numbers are same. On the left side and on the right side most of the numbers are same, 1 2 3 4 5, and here also 1 2 3 4 5a 5b like that. So that means the answers are same for these numbers on the left side part and on the right side part. Okay, now let's see. This is Andhra Bank, first blank dash branch. So dash branch means K. Sudhendra, from where he is taking this DD, he is applying for this DD at Tekkali. So that means this is Tekkali branch. So you write Tekkali at number 1, at the place of number 1. You can write the same answer on the right side also. At the place number 1 you can write Tekkali. Now second one, date. So in the information given above, date is not mentioned, a particular date is not mentioned, so we can write today's date. So what is the today? What is the date today? 23. So 23 11 20. On the right side part also, at the number 2 you can write 23 11 20 2020. And on the left side number 3, draft on. Draft on means where this DD should be paid at. It should be paid at Andhra University Campus Branch. So you can write Andhra University Campus Branch. You write the same answer at number 3 on the right side also, Andhra University Campus Branch. So in our public examination we can write only one time. You need not write 2 times like this. Okay. So next number 4, in favor of. In favor of means in whose favor we are taking this DD. we are taking this DD in favor of the registrar Andhra University Visakhapatnam. So we have to write it, the registrar Andhra University Visakhapatnam. You write the same answer on the right side also at number 4. Now 5b, so 5a is given in the table. Now you see 5b. What is 5b? For rupees. For rupees means we have to write the amount in words. So and one more thing, while writing the amount in words, at the end there should be only. If only is given in the form, we need not write it, but if it is not given, we have to write it. So here only is given, so you need not write it. So you just write 5,500, 5,500. So you write the same thing on the right side also at 5b, 5,500. Next 5a, draft or pay order. So what is the amount? 5,500 rupees. So you write it 5,500, and on the right side also at 5a, 5,500. And number 6, exchange. What is the exchange to be paid for 5,500 rupees? This is 50 rupees. This is given in the information. So 50 rupees. You write the same 50 rupees on the right side also. Next, total. Number 7, total. So 5,500 plus 50 is equal to 5,550 rupees. So 5550. You can write it on the right side also. So with this, the left side part is over. Now coming to the right side part, some more numbers are given here. Up to 7 are over. So we have to write 8, 9, 10. Okay. So what is 8? Okay, 8 here denominations. So what are the denominations we are paying to the bank? In the information it is given that the denominations are 500s and 50s. So we have to pay 5,550 rupees. So we can take 500 rupees notes 11, so that it will be 5,500. So 500 into 11, so 5,500. And number 9, 50 rupees one note, so it will be 50 rupees. So total 5,550 rupees. So after writing this, the last one is 10. What is the number 10? Name. So what is the name of the applicant? K. Sudhindra. You have to write it K. Sudhindra. So in this way we have to fill in the form. But remember one thing, we need not draw this entire form in the examination. In the examination, you simply write the question number 13 and you put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and in front of the numbers you just give the answer. That is enough. So like this, for 10 blanks, 10 halves are 5 marks. We will get 5 marks. In this way, we have to answer this question completing a form or form filling. In our textbook, so many forms are given. So you try to fill in all these forms yourself. And if you get any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will definitely give you reply. So this is all about this class. In the next class, let's see another topic. Until then, bye. And if you feel this video is useful to you, please like and share with your friends so that they can also learn. And if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, Knox Way to Learn. Thank you so much.